Is your handwriting easy to read for other people?
I guess so. My handwriting was really untidy when I was a student, so I used to get told off by teachers a lot. But now, no one says the same thing, so I kind of assume my handwriting is readable.
Do you like to receive cards with handwritten words?
Yes, of course. I sometimes receive cards from my friends, students, and family. It's always nice as they spend some time writing it.
Can we tell someone's personality from his or her handwriting?
Well, in some ways. From my own experience, people who were very well organized had very neat handwriting. I think there's some kind of correlation between personality and handwriting.
Well, once my friend told me something about traveling in Europe, like things to do and things I need to be careful about, and I think it was memorable. I made friend with her when I was staying in a backpacker in Germany. She traveled to most major cities in Europe, so everyone who shared a dorm with us heard the story. She kind of pointed out what happened during her visits. As she's been to lots of cities, she told us where to go, what to eat, and what we must see. Actually, the most memorable one was when her camera was robbed in Spain because it was so shocking to me. The story was really memorable as I was traveling as well at that time. She told me lots of useful information so I could bear in mind. I just tried not to do something that she told me not to and went to some places where she told me very nice. As I didn't plan much, it was really helpful for me. Also, it was quite interesting to hear all the differences between countries. I always thought all European countries were similar, but all cultures were so different according to what she said. It's still a memorable story for me. Do you think it's important for parents to read bedtime stories for their children?
I think so. I'm sure it's a way to develop their emotional senses like imagination, creativity, and things like that. Children generally like imagining things, and parents should encourage them to do so.
Do you think reading benefits us or not?
Definitely benefits us. Reading is one of the good habits that people must have to develop their intellectual sense. People develop their thinking skills as well as learning something through reading.
How do you keep reading habits in your busy life?
I think it's important to keep reading something even in a very short span of time. For example, people can carry a book that they wish to read and read at lunchtime or break time.
What books would you recommend young people to read?
Some self-improvement books, I guess. It can be helpful for them to have good life habits. Also, some professional books with specific topics would be helpful as they can obtain professional knowledge.